Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set character limit you want to display for these pages or Wix pages in the meta description and AI result and for search result. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix editor. On left side you see pages and menu, so click on it. So we are in site pages and menu, and then you see multiple pages we have. So when we hover on it, then you see three dots, so click on it, and then you see settings, so click on it. So we are in page setting, and then you see multiple options. Now select advanced SEO, so click on it. So we are in advanced SEO, and then you see option reports meta tags, so click on it. Now you see multiple option again, and then you see maximum snippet, enable this option. Now you see character. Now you see message, set the character limit you want to display for these pages in the meta description and AI result. Now you see character you want to set according to requirement. -1 mean there is no limit and Google will choose the most effective snippet length. If you want, you can add 10, 15. So it's up to you. 15 character. Now you see if you add -1, it's mean you are going to display all and then click on publish. So you can add maximum snippet character limit according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.